Most people only focus on the monthly rent they collect, but the real secret to real estate wealth is found in the massive tax breaks. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we show you how to protect your profits and build a legacy by using the tax code to your advantage. The government wants people to provide housing, so they offer incredible incentives like depreciation, which allows you to write off the value of your property over time. This paper loss often means that even if your rental property is putting cash in your pocket every month, you may show a loss on your tax return. You can also deduct all of your mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance premiums, and even the costs of maintaining and repairing your investment properties. When you eventually sell a property, you can use a 1031 exchange to defer paying capital gains taxes by rolling that profit into a larger investment. These strategies allow real estate investors to grow their net worth much faster than those who only invest in traditional stocks or savings accounts. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to learn how our loan products support your tax-advantaged investment strategy and subscribe to keep more of your hard-earned money.